The 0xc00005 error occurs on HP Windows systems when the system is unable to process necessary files or settings for a program to run or software to be installed. This error can be caused by corrupted random access memory or malware present in the computer. To resolve the issue, it is recommended to start by checking the RAM for corruption. This can be done by entering Windows Memory Diagnostics in the Windows Start search bar and following the prompts to scan the RAM. If the scan reveals any issues, the computer may prompt for the RAM to be replaced. Another potential solution is to remove any malware that may be affecting the computer. This can be achieved by typing Windows Security in the Start search bar, selecting the Virus and Threat option, choosing a scan type, and then clicking Scan Now to identify and remove any malware. If these methods do not resolve the error, it is advised to seek assistance from qualified personnel to help troubleshoot and fix the issue.